Welcome back to the step-by-step guide on how to effortlessly buy from 1688 Chinese shopping app and import from China without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Starbucks, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the step-by-step guide on how to import from China with 1688 effortlessly without any stress. So let's move. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to source one item on 1688. So there are so many ways to source one item on 1688 from different supplier. So one of the first ways is to simply type the name of the item you are looking for into the search engine right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Another way to source one item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon, which allow you to upload the picture of the item, and then you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can simply scroll down from the home page right here. The more you scroll down, the more item is going to load up. Then from there, you can choose a supplier to patronize from. All right, so in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use this particular store as an example. So I'm going to click on the product link right here. So click on the product link. So after we click on the product link, it takes us to the sales page. We can simply scroll down and see more graphics detail about the products from the supplier store, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see the picture of what you are buying. Okay, so once you are able to check everything about the store and you are ready to make a purchase, the next thing you need to do is to simply add an item to cart. And for you to add an item to cart, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it's load up to this particular page. At this point here, this is where you need to set size, color, and the quantity of the goods that you want to buy from the store. Okay, so right now I need this particular one right here. I need just one. Okay, then I need another design. So I need this one right here. I need just one. Then I need this one right here. I need just one. So I will add one, just like so. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add the item to cart. So item added successful. Next thing I need to do is to look for another item from the same store right here and add it to cart, just like so. For me to enter the supplier store, I need to simply click on here. Then the next thing I need to do is to simply proceed to my cart. So I'm going to click on here. So the item is going to be found in my cart right here, just like so. Now, I have already had another item to cart from the same store. Just to save the length of this video, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select all the items that was added to cart from the store. So everything is going to be selected just like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you can check on the preview. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to choose your means of payment. And I'm going to choose Alipay. Having choose Alipay, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to close the pop-up. And have to go back to my profile. Go back. So for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, then the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so. So we have everything right here. So this is the first one I had to item to cart, and this is the second one I had to cart. It's as simple as that. So this is how to buy goods on 1688 and import from China, step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDOFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.